How to quit smoking with NICORETTE QuickMist mouth spray. NICORETTE QuickMist starts to relieve cravings from 30 seconds. NICORETTE QuickMist helps you quit when you're ready. Here's how to get the best results using NICORETTE QuickMist. NICORETTE QuickMist is easy to use. To open the dispenser, push the black button down. Whilst pushing the button in, slide upwards until the top of the dispenser locks into place. If you are using a new dispenser, or if you haven't used your spray for 2 days or more, check the pump by pressing firmly into a tissue until a fine mist appears. Press the top of the dispenser firmly to release one spray into your mouth, avoiding your lips. For the best results, wait a few seconds before swallowing. Do not inhale the spray. It shouldn't spray into your throat. In case your cravings are not relieved, within a couple of minutes, use the spray again. To close the dispenser, slide the button down until it can be pushed slightly inwards. Then, while pushing in, slide down to lock. Use the QuickMist whenever you have the urge to smoke. Do not exceed 2 sprays per dose or 3 sprays per hour. One dispenser contains approximately 150 sprays. Over time, you should need to use the QuickMist less frequently to control your nicotine cravings and withdrawal symptoms until you have quit.